These how to 1 minute will show you how to monitor user activity in WordPress website. If you want to monitor an administrator or an author what's doing in your WordPress dashboard or in your WordPress website, follow these easy steps. First of all, we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type WP activity log, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install it and activate. Once the plugin activated, to this left hand menu you will get this WP activity log option through the plugin. Click on it and now click on settings and click on activity log viewer, and here you can change activity log retention. You can keep all data, or you can select delete events older than. You can select a specific time or date range here. So I'm selecting here keep all data, and you can change your time zone from here. User information in activity log, you can select any of them. Click on save changes. And now let's install some plugins and delete them. So I'm going to my plugin section and let's install this classic editor plugin. Once the plugin activated, I'm going to WP activity log, and here we can see the activity has been successfully added here. Activated the plugin classic editor, as you can see it's showing up here. And now let's again go to the plugin section and let's delete this plugin. Now again let's delete this contact form 7 plugin. And now again I'm going to WP activity log manager. As you can see, the activity has been added here. Uninstall the plugin WP contact form 7. Now let's add a theme. Let's activate this Astra theme. And now I'm again going to my WP activity log, and as you can see the activity has been added here. Activate the theme Astra. That's how you'll be able to monitor user activity in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.